welcome all. So today's topic is remedies for the psychic attack that I talked about. So this remedy that I'm talking about is for a very small kind of or a low degree psychic attack that I'm talking about, because if it's actually a very high degree psychic attack, you need to understand, then of course you need a specialist, then you can't solve this yourself. However, the trials of solving it yourself from the starting will definitely help you even if you contact a specialist. So let's get started. See, first of all, you need to figure out if you know that who are your enemies, or if you know who are those negative people who are actually creating this kind of an attack against you, which I already talked about in my previous videos. You need to imagine and visualize their faces. This is something very clear in your mind. It should be very clear. The faces, the close-ups of those people's faces should be very clear in your mind. Okay, and imagine to visualize them with their latest photograph. I mean, how they look today in the present, not 5 years back, not 10 years back, at present how they look. This is very important. Okay, how the structure is, how they look. This is the first thing. Second of all, you have to also manifest one thing, that these are the people whom I know, that possibly these people can be the ones who are throwing this psychic attack towards me, and there'll be several other people that are not seen. That means they are invisible, but they are there, so they are strangers for you. So what will you do? You will imagine some black shadows around you, okay, of several people. Now if you think you have a very high degree of people against you, then you can imagine 10 to 15 shadows behind you, behind those people that you're visualizing from the faces, the people that you know. Once you do that, once you clear about the unknown ones as shadows and the known ones as their own visualizations in your mind, now you will imagine yourself standing in front of them, facing them without any fear, without any fright inside you, that you're feeling scared of whatever they're sending towards you. And you will imagine yourself in a white light towards you. Like for example, I'm sitting right now, so I will imagine that this whole circle, like a bubble, you are in a circle of white light which is protecting you, and that white light is so massive, is so strong. Basically, you're imagining that white light to be the light of the divine. Okay, and you will immediately in front of you let them stand in front of you, and you will imagine that these people are standing in front of you, and all around you there is a black tornado which is revolving all around you when you're sitting there inside that white light. Okay, and it's a non-stoppable tornado which is actually circling around you. So that is basically a feeling that you're manifesting, that these wrong people, these negative people will not stop. Their negative energy has become so high that it is revolving around you. Okay, so and it will keep on revolving. You will keep on manifesting, still it will keep on revolving. So what you will imagine, that let it revolve, and you will imagine this circle that I'm into is getting much more stronger, is getting much more brighter, is getting much more I would say it's expanding in the diameter section as well. Okay, so that means your positiveness which is around you, the blessings around you, the protection around you is expanding. So you will imagine that bubble or that ball or whatever you may call it increasing in size day by day when you're manifesting this. Okay, now I know this can sound very silly to few, but let me tell you, this is a very powerful thing. And like I told you, you also have to imagine one more thing, that these people that you're visualizing in front of you, there is a cord which is attached from your brain to that person's brain, like a pipeline. Okay, you literally have to imagine that pipeline. And what you will see yourself doing, you will take up a big scissors, a sharp ended scissors, and you will cut that pipe with your own hands. You will imagine that you yourself doing that in that dream or in that imagination of yours. Okay, so that means that energy which is flowing from their mind towards your mind, in the middle only you broke the cord, you cut the cord, so it gets drained out right there. So you are imagining that the other person is getting weaker day by day, and your white light and your bubble is getting stronger day by day. Okay, so this is the only manifestation thing and a very powerful sign of detaching yourself from any psychic attack. However, if there is something which is done technically in a higher ratio against you, then I said that you have to contact a specialist. Otherwise, this is the home remedies on everyday basis you can do. Every time you can imagine this. You don't have to sit for this for a separate time. Even when you're working, you can, one side of the brain can imagine this, that you know, if I'm feeling negative, I'm feeling all those symptoms that I talked about in the last video, then you can actually do this. Okay, so that's about it in this video. Next week I'll come with another topic. Till then, goodbye.